This is a 4-row repeat worked on a multiple of 4 plus 3. For my sample, I cast on 19 stitches with worsted weight yarn and US size 6 needles. For row 1, which is the right side, you're just going to knit all stitches. For row 2, you're going to start by purling the first 3 stitches, and then you're going to repeat, knit 1, purl 3 for the rest of the row. So you repeat, knit 1, purl 3. For row 3, you're just going to knit all stitches. And for row 4, again, you're just going to knit all stitches. And you just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.